Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize opportunity cards in Gohighlevel. This feature allows you to personalize how your opportunity information displays, making it easier to view the details that matter most to your workflow. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gohighlevel.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of Gohighlevel's powerful features. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see a list of navigation options there. Look for and click on Opportunities. This section is where you manage all your sales opportunities and potential deals, and it's also where you can customize how those opportunities are displayed in card format. Now shift your focus to the right side of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Manage Fields. Click on this button to proceed. This is the gateway to customizing exactly how your opportunity cards appear and what information they display at a glance. Once you click Manage Fields, a customization panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel gives you complete control over how your opportunity cards look and what data they show, allowing you to tailor the view to match your specific business needs. At the top of this customization panel, you'll see a section called Card Layout. Here you have 3 different display options to choose from: default, compact, or unlabeled. Each layout option presents your opportunity information differently. The default layout shows all labels and details clearly. Compact condenses the information into a tighter space, and unlabeled removes field labels for a cleaner look. Go ahead and click on the layout option that best fits your preference and workflow style. Now move down to the Fields section. This is where you can really customize what information appears on each opportunity card. You'll see a list of available fields that can be displayed on your cards. Each field has a checkbox next to it, and you can simply check or uncheck these boxes to show or hide specific information. This flexibility ensures you only see the data that's most relevant to your sales process. If you need to add more field options, you can expand additional categories. Click on Other Details to reveal more customization options for your cards. You can also click on Primary Contact Details to add contact-specific information, associations to show related records, and opportunity details to include more deal-specific data. Explore these sections and select the fields that provide the most value for your team's daily operations. Once you've finished selecting and arranging all the fields you want to display on your opportunity cards, click the Apply button at the bottom of the customization panel. This will save all your changes and update how your opportunity cards appear throughout the system. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your opportunity cards in Gohighlevel to display exactly the information you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.